We're replacing this old sand filter with a Clean Clear Plus 420.
Yes, sir.
No more backwashing, no more wasting water.
Look at this. It's already old, so it doesn't even have that much sand, so we're just gonna get rid of it. Let's start by putting it. Put it right here. Use some space. Shut the.
Yeah.
Got it. Doesn't do much, but look at me, baby. What's that? It's gonna be including a pad. Chop it off. Move the thing out so we can get the new pad in there.
Unions make that real nice. Hold it right on.
Makes life easier.
In your opinion, in 10 years, will there be sand filters anymore?
I don't think so, man. I don't think so, because they waste too much water. If anything, they're reliable for the first 3 years, if anything. After the 3 years, I would say the sand goes bad. People don't know how to backwash. They either backwash too much or they don't backwash enough.
What's the risk with backwashing too much?
Backwash it too much?
Yeah.
So not really on this one, but on the regular sand, the sand gets thinner.
Oh, really?
But not this one. That's why they use this, and I guess in this pool, you can tell right away it's pretty bad quality, bad material.
Yeah.
Nah, I'd say within the next 10 years, no DE, no cartridge.
Right.
Try to,
Just for water, conservation.
yep. Yeah, just.
Or they just won't allow anymore.
Nah. They backwash. They waste too much water. And people don't like to backwash in the sewers. Some people don't even have sewers in their houses. Like the, the black thing. Some people do, but some people don't. To be honest, as a pool guy, like it's just a waste of time whenever they do that.
Yeah. And it definitely doesn't make installation or any of this stuff any easier.
Nah. Her pool was cloudy, and it was a Thursday, and she was gonna have a birthday party for her daughter on a Saturday, and she was worried that the pool wasn't gonna get clear, and she called for a service call, and we sold her a 420, and I went to install it. But the next morning, within 24 hours, the water was clear.
Wow.
Crystal clear. No chemicals added, nothing, just the filter.
Wow.
Just the filter. It's the difference when you have a good filter with brand new filter cartridge with the sand filter, which it wasn't in bad condition, but it wasn't that fast.
Yeah. I mean, it's just different filtration technology.
Yeah.
Like it seems more efficient.
Yes, sir.
So when wet, how much sand is in there? 500 pounds? 300 pounds?
When it's full, it's 600 pounds.
Wow.
Yeah, including the tank. It's 500 pounds of sand, or that's the thing, and then another 80, I would say 90 to 100 pounds of the filter. So about 600 pounds.
Wow.
See? Yeah, how it sinks.
Yeah, it looks like the pitch was like sloping back towards the house too, which is probably not a good thing.
So, almost perfect. You can check right there in the bubble. Should be level.
Got all your unions and air release valve in there.
Got everything.
No need to lube those up at all. They're already
Nah,
just,
they're already good. They're pretty much like pressure O-rings. You can lube them up. I mean, but when they're brand new, they just go in.
Yeah.
So it's good unless they're leaking. Like you can see, just with the push.
Oh yeah.
It just stays there.
Oh, cool.
They're just. This one is the relief is the one that you have to either add Teflon or the pipe dope. That's what they call it. Just to make sure that it seals good. All right, let's go with this. Hopefully it fits. See that? Perfect.
Oh yeah. Nice. Wow, just screw it back on. That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
That's nice.
That's what the high temp units are for. All those units make life easier.
I'd say so.
And there you go.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Here, should be around there. Just enough space on the back. Filter.
It's amazing with what just the pad replacement did.
Yep. Gives you more. Now with this, it's not gonna, with the thing with the plastic is that if it sinks in instead of a slab like going to a side, which you can crack pipes or something. So this one just pretty much sits in the middle. So it just sets. It's a good thing. Right now, you can see the thing little, it's not wobbly, it's just the filter. It's pretty much in the middle. So once I usually get the whole thing wet so dirt can go underneath and just sits. This one, you can push it back a little bit. Should be perfect. Just to get it pretty much plumbing. Try to do it as water efficient and the water flow. So you have not too many 90s, not too many loops around. So it's gonna be 45, 45, 90, 90, 45. Perfect. Just get it cleaned up right there.
And these already have the cartridge in them. You don't have to open this or do anything. Just ready to go.
They're ready to go.
Nice.
4 cartridges. Just clean them every 4 to 6 months. They should last you up to, I would say, I've seen some that have them for about 10 years, but they just clean them.
Yeah. What's the cleaning process? Just pull them out and spray them down?
Pull them down. It's a 7/8 dice for the little nut. And then you can use a ratchet power tool to take it off. And then take them out. 4 cartridges. Just hose them down. Don't use a power wash or nothing.
Yeah.
Just with the hose and the nozzle.
Yeah.
It should be good.
Does the cartridge come out?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you pull them out. You can just go somewhere in the house. Just have in mind that it's gonna have some debris. So make sure somewhere with like rocks, so you can clean it, or grass somewhere. It's gonna make. All depends how bad they are. Yeah, 4 cartridges. Takes about, it depends, 10, 15 minutes per cartridge. I like to do half and then flip them and then do the bottom half again. Just easier. Just like to flip them. That way, whenever you put them back, they switch side too. So it's just a way.
What kind of paint is on there? Like black paint?
Black paint, yeah. I don't really like black because it fades away pretty fast.
It looks like tar. So, thick on there. Look at.
Yeah, we're gonna change all this to almond. Same color as a filter, just a more neutral.
Yeah, and then it all matches nice. Looks all brand new.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we'll give some color to this stuff.
Right.
It's all rusted.
Right.
So right here. Just a little. Ever played Legos?
Yep.
So that's what it is. Just play Legos, just to be able to fit. Push it back a little bit, just good enough space. So here's the thing. So here, I was just dry fitting it just to make sure that it was gonna go good. So now I'm just gluing it. Just use a piece of pipe, 2 inches, comes out of the unit, 2 inches, and then use a streak 45. That way I don't have to do too many 90s. I don't like to see too many 90s. Just so the water flow is better, faster, more efficient. There you go. And then I can just loosen this up. And then I can just, I can do a double joint. Make sure it's pretty clean. There we go. Just make sure we put enough glue on both sides. There you go, man.
Nice.
Just make sure it goes all the way in, And then just make sure. There you go. And then it's not really necessary, but I like to put a little extra on top, just to make sure.
It's almost like a caulking when you do it like that. I
Yes,
suppose.
sir. Either way, we're painting over it, so it's good. So right here, it has enough slack to take the clamp out, move it. I was gonna. So this is what I was saying. Pipe dope for the this stuff. The air relief. Let the thing dry. Makes it much lighter. There you go.
What did you call this? Pipe
dope.
Pipe dope?
Yeah. Like glue
Yeah.
for pipes. It's for anything.
It's the dope part. I was like, dope.
Yeah. I don't really like. I mean, some people use what's it called? The stick. I don't know what it's called.
Yeah. It's like gray. It's like a crayon looking.
Yeah. And then just twist. It just goes all the way. I like to do the little extra turns because they're gonna face the front. There you go, and the water's gonna gush out of this way. Now, this is the fun part. This will be a 90. Just bring it from there. Give it enough. Same thing. Make sure it's level. Even though you can loosen up the unit, let's do it like this. That way it's level. Then now, I'm gonna go like this, straight. Sorry. So if I do it straight, oh, you didn't do it like this, huh? Yeah. Right here, you just put this thing level. So there you go. See it?
Pretty close.
A little bit. There you go.
I know there's a few different types of glue, but this gray one, does that set faster or slower than the blue
It's
one?
usually slower But in summer, everything's pretty fast. I don't like that. Yeah, there's one, the red hot. That one usually is about 10 seconds. And since I just like this one because it's pretty thick, so it gets in like every crack. So that's why. The other one's just like if you put it in, it just sets. And this one, like if you leave it up for a couple seconds, it doesn't do anything. Like, how you see? Let me just relax. This is the color, almond color. Just the same color as this, so it's gonna match. Make sure the pipe is clean, even though stain. Just boom. It goes in.
Was that just to release like the air so then it could push? Yeah.
All the pressure that was in here just goes in since it's pretty much sealed.
Yeah.
Just open that, so whatever air is in here, it's not much, so it just can just get out.
Yeah. Otherwise, it might try and push back up though. Yeah. Okay.
Back pressure. So there you go, man.
Nice. A little paint and brand new.
Quickly. There you go. The water priming up.
Oh yeah, she's coming.
Then the air relief is open. There you go. And that should be the pressure of the filter. So you adjust this. Down there. And there you go, man.